First, the download ready-made icons. As you can see on the screen, go to the website iconarchive.com. It should take you to this page. You can choose anything as an icon. Just have a scroll through, or you can search at the top. There's over 800,000 free icons to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one here for ease of use. So left click on the one you want. It should break it down into individual files. Let's say pick this envelope. Click that one. Click on all format here. And you see download ICO. This is the file you want. Once you've got this file, you can apply it to any icon. If we minimize this out of the way, and let's say I'll fill more, a shortcut here. Right click it. Show more options at the bottom. Properties. Change icon. You can see all the ones that come with Filmora here. If we click on Browse, go to Downloads, and this is the icon we downloaded. Double click, click OK, click Apply, and OK. There we go. Our icon's been updated. I'll leave links in the description for all the websites used in this tutorial. Let's do part 2. Turning your own image into an icon. Find an image on your PC. I've got one on a USB stick. You can choose any image you want, just make sure it's square. Let's choose our cat picture. So what we have to do is right click it, open with, paint, then click on File, Save As, PNG. It has to be a PNG for this to work. So you can give it a name, cat, PNG. Save it. Close Paint. Close your USB stick or your folder. Open up Chrome at the bottom of the page. You go to this website, convertico.com. Close the ads. Click here to upload your icon. So here it is, cat PNG. And then you literally just click download. You should see where the previous icon was. Minimize this. Repeat the same steps to change the icon. Right click on the shortcut. Go to show more options. Properties. Change icon. Browse. Here's our cat. Click on that one. Click OK. Apply and OK. And there you go. Our cat icon is complete. So next we're going to use AI to generate some custom icons. If you open up Chrome down here, I'll leave this text in the description below so you can copy and paste it. All you got to do is change the question marks for whatever you'd like to generate. And let's say a duck. Leave this bit alone, uncrop, fully centered. You can change the style here if you want to, the colors here if you want to, but leave the transparent background alone. Once you click the upload button, it should start to work. Takes a few minutes to complete. One custom PNG image. You can tell it's a PNG when you put your mouse over it. You get this check in the background. If you want to download this, come down here to the download icon. Click download. If we go back to our previous website, convertico.com, click on upload. Go to our downloads. Choose our image. There's our duck. Click on the download button. There it is. If we minimize this or change this one again, right click. Show more options, properties, change icon. There's our icon. Click OK, apply, and OK. There you go. Custom AI icons. If you want to restore your original icons, this is how you do it. I'll leave the links in the description for all the places you can find the default icons. Right click, go to properties, show more, then go to properties, click on customize, change icon, Before you do that, copy this here, put this in a text document, new text document, call it icon, locations, double click, right click and paste. You can put a note after it like desktop icons, just so you know what it is. Make sure you save it, then you can choose your new icon, press OK, apply, and there you go. You can get your Windows icons back at any time. A quick recap: we downloaded icons, we turned your own image into icons, or we generated completely new icons with AI. If this helped you upgrade your desktop, hit the like and subscribe. Got an icon idea? Drop it in the comments below. Maybe I'll make that one next. Catch you in the next one.